Today, Nifty traded inside previous day's range and it formed a choppy price action and there is no direction at all. In the first hour, there is a bearish momentum. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and let's see. Initially, there is a bearish price action and around 11 to 11:30, there is a breakout on a bullish side and it sustained above this level, and all of a sudden the trend reversed and the entire market is a choppy with a directionless market. It consolidated inside yesterday's range and there is a pattern, important pattern, that is forming from last couple of days. I am going to show you that what is that pattern and what we can expect tomorrow, what is going to happen, and also create our plan. Let's mark the important levels. Tomorrow this is going to be an important resistance level and this is going to be important support level around this point. This is important resistance because it tested multiple times. Here also, if you draw this line like this, it tested here, then there is a selling from this point. This is a support because it worked out here, and here. It acted as a support multiple times, all these points. So these are important levels. Tomorrow, breaking this level or this level is important. Yesterday we planned that if Nifty is going to open inside this range, this high and this low, if it breaks this level, you can aim this as a first target, this level. It touched this point in a choppy manner. There is a breakdown, pullback, and it touched this point, target achieved, and it worked out as per our plan. Then there is a reversal. Even if you haven't booked the profit, you should exit in this reversal. As soon as candle closes above this previous swing high, you should exit and book your positions, whether in a profit or loss. You should not hold on to the positions after trend reversal. And let's mark another important resistance level. Tomorrow, this is going to be an important resistance level, and support. This is going to be a support level. This is a support level, another support level, another support level. These are enough for tomorrow's price action. And let's go to higher time frame and let's see what is happening. What is that important chart pattern that is happening from last couple of days. Let me show you that. It is happening from past couple of days. There is this range and it is not able to break this range, and after that there is a candle consolidation. There is a gap up, and after that consolidation. There is a gap up, and after that consolidation. Tomorrow can we see a gap up, or is it going to open a gap down? Let's plan that and let's see what is going to happen. But from this past couple of days, what is happening is, this is a pattern. One day it is making a move, after that it is consolidating inside the range, gap up and closing, consolidating inside a range, gap up and closing, consolidating in a range. Today also it consolidated inside this range, previous candle's range. Tomorrow whether it is going to open a gap up above this range, and Nifty is not able to close above this high. It is still trading below this level. There is no breakout as of now. Whether it is going to open a gap up above this level, what is going to happen, and if it opens below this level, what is going to happen? Let's create our plan, and we already marked our important levels. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Let's create our plan for tomorrow. If Nifty opens inside this range, below this level, mark this level and wait for the breakout of this level or breakdown of this level. You should aim this as a first target and this as a second target. And if it breaks this level on the downside, you should aim this as a first target and this closing price or this swing low as a second target, nearest a swing low as a second target. If it's not able to break this low, and if it makes a price action like this, you should exit your positions even with a profit or loss. Whether you are trading a futures or option selling, you should book your loss and exit the trade. That is not valid anymore. And next plan is opening above, gap up above this level, this swing level. There may be a pullback towards this closing price. In the pullback, you should take the entry. If it opens above this level, it may start working out immediately as soon as the market opens, and you can take the entry in a breakout. If it's not moving fast, there may be a pullback towards this level or towards this level, these levels. In the reversal, you should take the entry on bullish side. If it opens above this level, it is extremely bullish, completely bullish. This trade will work out immediately as soon as the market opens, and you will see the breakout in first 15 minutes or first 1 hour. You can see the entire move. If it opens above this level, after that it may consolidate in a range. If it opens below this level, below this low, wait for a retest towards this level for the closing price and take a sell side position in a reversal. If it opens gap down below this level, it is going to be extremely bearish signal. This trade may work out immediately or wait for a retest. If the momentum is not fast enough, wait for a retest towards this level or towards this low and take the selling position in this trade. Then based on this pattern, this previous days, 6 days pattern, whether there will be a gap up or gap down, we should see. And there may and there may be a chance for trend reversal if you connect all these points. This is a bullish trend. If we connect these points, there is a trend. This trend may fail anytime. If this level breaks, or these levels, as per this, these levels are breaking, you should be on the sell side. You should not be on the buy side. And there is a trend line. Watch this trend line also. If this trend line breaks, the trend is going to change from bullish to bearish. Currently the trend is bullish. It is going slowly higher, slowly and steadily. And the last 6 days price action, I have shown you this important pattern. One day it is breaking out, and next day it is consolidating. Breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation. Next day this pattern is going to repeat or not. We should see whether, if it opens, we can see one more green day, and I am expecting it is going to close above this level. If it's not going to close above this level and breaks this trend line, the trend is going to change and you should be on the bearish side. That is my plan for tomorrow. Weekend I have posted how you can trade trend channels. Watch that video. You are going to learn a lot of knowledge. I'm going to provide the link in description. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.